done yet. We just released our 12th recording studio. It's a double album that we were, thank you. Yep. But we got to record, and maybe y'all heard of this guy. His name's Elvis Presley. He had 2 homes. We all know of Graceland, but he had one in Palm Springs, and we were blessed to meet the people that owned it, and they allowed us to go there for a month. And these crazy cats recorded the record in 4 days. And I said, man, y'all go on a 5-day vacation, see if I can write some more songs. We'll do a double album. So that's what we did. It's called Here to Eternity. We'd like to play something from that album, if you don't mind. Do you mind? Do you mind? much for listening. That's awesome of you. Thank you so much.